Wednesday morning, everybody, and good dead day, everyone. It is, Tanner has told me that it is a very, very cold day outside. It's raining, I can see, a little bit, just sprinkling. Oh my goodness. It is freezing. Well, probably not freezing, otherwise it'd be snowing. Is this one pickle? No, it's 2 pickles. Ooh, what a relief. But anyway, I have to film a presentation for one final and go take another final today. Tanner, give your weather report outside.
It's cold.
Mm-hmm.
It's wet.
Mm-hmm.
Grab a jacket.
Mm-hmm.
And an umbrella.
Okay.
Where are you going?
But anyway, those are the plans for today. It's about 1:12. It's about 1:12 right now. So I'm gonna get some lunch and then probably head to campus. Eat your chocolate. No. Alright guys, off we go to the IAC to go work on a presentation and to meet up at 5 with Cameron, you know Cameron, and my friend Justin, new friend as of this semester, but I've known him for a while. But anyway, so that is what I'm doing right now. Oh, that's a box spring leaned up against the dumpster. I thought that was like some sort of tent. But anyway, let's go get a ton of work done. Let's go. Alright guys, I have been in the IC for quite a few hours now. I've got the whole package done, which is a good thing. And I met with the group and got the majority of the tests done, which is good. So, all I have to do now is just film or screen record a presentation for the product design. And then type out everything. We just took notes with each other for the test, but we got all the multiple questions, blah, blah, blah. So, we got a lot done, and now I'm taking somewhat of a break because we have planned, I guess, a movie night? It might be a movie night or something back at the apartment with Steven and Katie. So, that is where I am going now, and I will probably be back in the IAC much later tonight. So, let's go.
What's the binding agent?
Oil and a Greek seasoning.
Oh,
Good?
Say it, boy. While I chanted that wonderfully brief slogan, more saving, more doing. That's the power of Jack Hawkins. Yes. Of Jack Hawkins Trust.
Looked like that went off first.
Why?
Tanner, are you kidding me? Why? Somebody doesn't want to see past 21 years old.
I already can't see. I have class.
Alright, we're finally using these sparklers that I found on a trash pile.
It's soggy outside.
Okay, these might be a little overkill. Tanner, where did they go? Alright, you can go first. I don't know if they'll work. Oh, mercy.
I'm gonna scare Taylor. The flame doesn't have a shadow. How weird is that?
Oh my gosh, you're right. It's crazy.
Hello.
For birthday?
We found these in a trash pile. Come on.
Ooh, that one's a good one.
Oh, the put out jackets.
Come celebrate.
Why do these have to be so good?
It's almost out. Wait.
Come on, man. Yay. Spark.
The other thing I found in the trash pile was this Roman candle. So we're going out into the open parking lot where no one else is.
So
And then we're gonna light it off.
there
it is.
Wait, this is fuse here.
Yeah.
So does it come out the other end?
No.
Oh, it comes out that end?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think. I'm gonna hold it like this in case it doesn't. Here, Taylor, hold this.
Hold this?
Yeah. Ah! Which side?
I don't know.
It better freaking work.
Oh, God. Oh, raindrop just hit me in the eye.
Tanner, fix. Tanner, I hope this goes off into your hand. Tanner, don't breathe in my mouth.
Well, don't breathe where I'm blowing.
Tanner, give it a lighter. Oh my goodness.
No! Don't.
Watch out. Watch out.
Mason, don't look in it.
He has glasses. He's
Oh, you're
fine.
right. Yeah, you're fine.
Wait, where's it?
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Not towards the trees.
Ah!
Oh, God.
Dead day.
Ah! I'll catch it. I'll catch it. I'll catch it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
This thing smells like sulfur. All right, guys. Got to hang out a little bit, and it was fun. We just played some games, and then we set off the fireworks that I found on that trash pile. So that kind of celebrated Dead Day, but now off I go back to the IC to get some more work done. So let's go to the IC. All right, guys. It is 1 in the morning right now, and I am getting a lot done. I've realized I have to wait until tomorrow to where I can finish the whole thing. Now I'm about to back this up on that so I don't lose it, which means I'm going to back this up on there. And it's all working out. Everything should be working out. But anyway, I'm just gonna finish up these last few things and head on home. So let's keep going. Got done at the IAC. It is now 1:21 right now, and off I go to home. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to get up early and get that package printed out so that I could get pictures of that, and then I could put those pictures in the presentation to finish, the final. But the final is at 5, which is a good thing. It gives me plenty of time to do that. So I think everything is pretty much smooth sailing for paper screen, and that is definitely a good feeling. But anyway, I am predicting that everybody at the apartment is probably asleep, so I'm going to go ahead and close out the vlog here. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Good night.